Hey everyone, as everybody knows, Kathie loves a good sale. So my first haul is from, and I have 3 to do today. I'm just going to do them all on the same video because none of them are real big. But my first one is from B&D Crafts and More here on YouTube. And most of the sales I go to are on YouTube. So the first thing I got from B&D Crafts is this adorable little stamp. Be happy. Y'all gonna see this sucker on everything you get. I loved it. I fell in love with it when I saw it. And what you may not know is B&D Crafts is a Stampin' Up distributor, seller. I'm not sure what they call them. But anyway, I got this beautiful large wooden stamp that is from Stampin' Up. And it is the dictionary page, and I am thrilled with this one. So my second haul is coming from Crafty Hoarder. God, what is her YouTube channel name? Sarcastic Crafty Hoarder? I don't know, but it's Brenda Pinchot. And you got to check out these little boxes. Look at these little boxes. Aren't they just too cute? I haven't decided really what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'm thinking of making tiny little Christmas journals to put in each box. They are so stinking adorable. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing, is making little journals, put in them, and maybe these will be gifts to somebody. Who knows? Look at these boxes. They are so adorable, and these are good boxes. They're well made. Next, I got all these little gingerbread men. You got to see these. Look at these little adorable things. Aren't they cute? And she sells on Erin Klossner's channel, who does a multi-vendor sale the first and third weekend of every month. Brenda, are you missing a pencil? I don't think I bought this pencil, but it's in here. So if you're missing one, it's mine now. And the last thing I bought, I have no idea. I didn't buy these. Maybe these 2 are freebies. I thought I bought more from her. I usually do. But anyway, these are like some kind of little sticker dots. I'm not sure what that is, but they must have been her freebies. So thanks for the pencil. I like to use those for drawing. And the last one comes from Erin Klossner. Oh no, I got a box, taped up box. Okay, so let's see what isn't taped up first. Oh yeah, I bought these railroad company to put in paper packs that I'm going to be selling. These are pretty cool. I love these. And they look great in journals. They're just the right size. I'm hoping this is what I'm thinking it is. Find out in a minute. I'm going to tell you, these YouTube sellers must invest in tape. Because they are pros when it comes to taping up boxes. Sorry guys, I didn't open it ahead of time. Seriously, Erin? Okay. Oh, I have some tickets. Yes, here they are. Aren't these adorable? I'm doing my kitchen over in Chickens and Roosters, and I just thought these would be adorable on the table because of the red top. They are so cute. And I'm just a sucker for glassware. Look at that. They fit in there. Isn't that just stinking too cute? I love them. Ooh, they're heavy too. And guys, if y'all have not bought these from Erin, you need to, because they go a long way. She wraps fabric, she cuts, well, tears fabric into strips, and she wraps them on a card. And they go a long way, honestly, they do. And then I got a little matching yo-yo to go with it. Next I got the postcards and another yo-yo, and she makes these little shrinky things. Look at those, aren't they cute? But I love the D postcards, so they're going to be going in a journal. And I'll probably put this in that same journal. Yeah, I know, I've been collecting stuff forever. I'll probably have enough to make 20 journals. There's another postcard, two postcards, and another bee, and another yo-yo. I use these a lot in my shadow boxes I make and sell. This is the lady's handkerchief. And another lady's handkerchief. Oh, there's another shrinky dink with a bee. That is cool. These will look adorable in the bee journal. Oh, she even got glitter on the wings. That is too cute. And next I bought, I have no idea what this is. Bumble Train Stencil. I got this for the boys. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's a little stencil book about trains. And they're just now getting into stencils. Nicholas is more adept at it than Nene is, but he's older, so you'll get there. This is great. It's got the whole train. They are going to go wild over this book. And, of course, I got a Crochet Chicken, which I'm going to turn into a magnet to put on the refrigerator. So, that's a lot of stuff. And if you haven't noticed before, Erin can pack a box. So, first and third weekend of every month, she sells on her channel. Make sure to check her out. It's Erin Klossner, Erin in the Adirondacks. Brenda sells with her. Brian sells sometimes with me, and sometimes on his own channel, but he is B&B Crafts and More. And don't forget, I have changed the sale from this Wednesday to Thursday. It'll give us both time to bag up more stuff and price more stuff for the $1 and $2 sale. Some things may be 2 for $1. Some things may be, 2 for $2. It all depends on what we come up with. But nothing will be over $2. Not in this sale. So we'll see you hopefully Wednesday. And don't forget to check out Erin's channel on Saturday and Sunday. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.